Former President Donald Trump's ex-national security advisor John Bolton was indicted today by a federal grand jury in Maryland, accused of mishandling classified materials from his time in government. The indictment, which includes 18 counts, alleges that Bolton unlawfully retained and transmitted national defense information, including through personal email accounts and notes shared with family members lacking proper clearance. Prosecutors claim that during his tenure under Trump, Bolton used personal email accounts, including an AOL address, to send diary-style entries documenting his work, which contained classified content. Some of those accounts were reportedly hacked by a third party linked to Iran in 2021, according to the indictment. In searches of his Maryland residence and Washington, D.C. office, investigators say they recovered materials labeled secret, confidential, and classified, including documents tied to government communications, weapons programs, and diplomatic activities. Bolton's indictment places him at the center of a highly scrutinized legal battle involving national security and political power. His case is the latest in a series of high-profile criminal actions targeting Trump-era figures, following recent indictments of former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James. Unlike some of those other cases, Bolton's was brought by career prosecutors in the Maryland U.S. Attorney's Office, with Kelly O. Hayes signing off, a fact seen by some observers as an effort to lend the case legitimacy and impartiality. Bolton, 76, has vigorously denied wrongdoing. His legal team maintains that the materials were consistent with his public service career and subject to prior review. They argue the case is politically motivated, designed to target one of Trump's most outspoken critics. The indictment is expected to trigger fierce legal challenges over issues including whether Bolton knowingly mishandled information, the legitimacy of the evidence seized, and whether portions of the case are barred by statute or executive privilege. What comes next? Arraignment and motions. Bolton will make an initial court appearance in Maryland, where his attorneys are likely to file motions to dismiss or narrow the charges. Discovery battles. The defense will seek access to classified materials, government evaluations of the documents, and records hiding in redacted warrants or affidavits. Public and political fallout. The case will intensify debates over how the Justice Department handles prosecutions of public officials and whether such actions are politically weaponized. National security implications. Given the sensitive nature of the charges, involving secret foreign policy or defense information, the trial may require special handling, protective orders, and classified evidence procedures. John Bolton's indictment raises grave questions about accountability, secrecy, and the boundaries of permissible conduct by former high-ranking officials. In the weeks ahead, those issues will be litigated at the intersection of law, security, and politics.